Well, all right, pump's installed and everything looks to be fine. It is right there. Water coming in, water coming out, going this way. And I did have just a tiny drip, but I think that's the seal seating on the shaft. And it's gotten a little bit better, even better after it's been running here a couple of minutes. But yeah, it looks like the big pour that I had going on earlier is fixed. And you know, if you get a drip every now and then, it's not a big deal, but I think the seal needs to seat, and once it does seat properly, it will seal up nice and tight. So I feel real good about it. Very happy. Got plenty of water flow coming out this side exhaust. So everything's really good with it. I'm very happy. I feel very confident. So there you go. Water pump is fixed. We go.